All right, guys, so check this out. After putting on the new tires getting them mounted on the new wheels, I bought some what I thought were OEM TPMS sensors. After watching a couple videos and kind of looking at it very closely, because I bought 5, 4 were mounted. This was my spare just in case they didn't work. But long story short, none of them work. They're able to initialize, but the truck does not remember the sensors, so it's always going off. I got the TPMS light on, so what I'm gonna have to do is actually get the original TPMS sensors off the factory wheels and get them installed into the new tires and wheels, which is a big pain in the ass because they're gonna take it back to the tire shop, have them swap out TPMS sensors for 4 wheels. So what I want to actually just go over is kind of reading through these fake parts. So I bought this off Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and provide a link to the correct part that you can actually utilize that are actual factory OEM TPMS sensors, so you don't have any issues. Nothing in the front really kind of caught my attention, but once I actually started looking at the sensor to see what it was actually saying, and I'm not sure if the camera's going to be able to pick it up, probably not, but it actually says FOMO Go, whereas it's supposed to be a FOMO Co, Ford Motor Company. So this is where I kind of caught it. I was like, holy shit, like that does not look right. FOMO Go. So after looking at that, I knew that they were fake. So that explains why those TPMS sensors are not actually working for me. And so I'm going to go ahead and go knock that out, take it to the tire shop, and get those factory sensors thrown on the wheel so I don't have that annoying TPMS light.
All right, guys, so it's been a hot minute since I got these tires and wheels mounted and thrown back onto the truck. I took it to a local diesel shop. They took care of it. They had to break down 8 tires. This is the pain in the ass that I was talking about these sensors. So I'll go ahead and put a link with the correct OEM Ford Motorcraft, not the made in China ones, in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. Let me go ahead and show you a few clips with the new wheels and tires. Alright guys, so my 5th one is going into the trash. Will not be needing that anymore. Too much trouble to go aftermarket instead of going OEM, especially with these Ford trucks. For some reason, they're just picky. Whenever you do get new sensors or when you do your tire rotations, I think this tool, the TPMS 31, I believe is what it's called. Here it is. I got it bagged. I don't know why. I can take this out of the bag. But this thing is a world of help. All you got to do is put your truck into retrain or relearn mode in order to pick up the new sensors from each tires. So I'll go ahead and put the link in the description as well. And then when I do my next tire rotation, which is probably in about 2,000 miles, I'll go ahead and show y'all if you do not know how to use this. Just a quick note I wanted to share with y'all in terms of what a pain it was to get those TPMS sensors swapped out and put the factory ones in. So now I'm trying to sell my factory tires and wheels. They don't have any sensors on them. So now I got to drop the price. All right guys, so quick side note before I forget and before I do my next video, I do have to announce the winners of a random drawing that I did based off of, I think, 2 videos ago. So Darren Watson, you will be receiving the AMP bed step. That thing, I used it more times than anything. I didn't think I would, but that definitely helped. No matter if you have bigger tires, or stock tires, or just a leveling kit. These trucks are taller nowadays. And then the second winning is the EGR Delete Kit. So this will be going to Jaime Hernandez. So I'll be sending that to you. Go ahead, comment down below. Figured I'll give you a shout out. I'll be sending these items this week. So you should be receiving them within a week or so. No charge, I'm shipping this to y'all for free on my dime. On top of, I paid for those items with my own dime as well. I'm not sponsored by anyone. This was just a token of my appreciation for all my subscribers. One thing I did want to mention is that I almost have like 7,000 subscribers, but I have like 100 subscribers or followers on my IG. So if you have an IG, go ahead and follow, subscribe to me on that. I'll go ahead and post my name right here. Why not? I mean, just one other follower. So go ahead and hit me up. You can keep up with me there quicker than me posting videos because editing sucks and it takes forever. So that is about it, y'all. I'll be pushing out some more videos here soon. If you're not a subscriber, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video.